दाबोळे विमानतळाच्या विस्तारीकरणाचे काम मार्च 2013 मेरेन पुराय जातले अशें विमानतळ संचालक एम सुरेशान सांगला। नव्या टर्मिनलाचे 80% काम पुराय जाला अशें तांणी सांगलें। विमानतळ प्राधिकरण सध्या फक्त विमानतळ साधन सुविधा वाडोवपाचेर भर दिता। ह्या पुराय कामा खातीर प्राधिकरण सुमार 500 कोटी रुपया खर्च करतले।
New terminal building, almost 80% of the work has been completed, another 20% of the work is left out. We are hoping by March we will be completing and commissioning the new terminal building.
Regarding the opposite, the new airport terminal building, grade separator has to be erected. What is the stage of grade separator?
Last week we had a meeting with the district collector, Mr. N.J. Karwalji. So already we met Chief Minister of Goa also. The work has been finalized. Now the problem with the funding of 72 crores, who has to spend, either National Highway Authority or state government. As the airport authority, we will develop only the airport infrastructure, not on the city activities like development of the roads, development of the bridges. We will not be able to do it. We will be developing only the airport infrastructure. For that we are almost 350 crores we are spending in the new terminal building, and allied work it comes around 500 crores airport authority is going to spend in Goa airport. This is the part of the state government, and state government also very positive to have the grade separator and as well as the approach road connecting with the national highway with the new terminal building. We are hoping the work will fast in coming days.
पणजेच्या कदंबा बस स्टँडाचेर आशिल्ल्या दुकानांचो कंत्राट फक्त 11 म्हयन्याचो करपाचो निर्णय कदंबान फाटीं घेतला। सरकार मदीं पडिल्ल्यान कदंबाक आपलो निर्णय 4 वर्सां उपरांत फाटीं घेवचो पडलो। कदंबा स्टॉल एलोटीस संघटनेन हालींच मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराची भेट घेवन हो विशय तडीक लायलो। कदंबा बेकायदेशीरपणान दुकानवाल्यांचेर सर्व्हिस टॅक्स लादपाक सोदता असो आरोप संघटना करता।
Kadamba Transport Corporation Limited all of a sudden decided to renew our shops every 11 months instead of every 3 years. We were shocked and surprised by the sudden decision of the Kadamba Transport Corporation Limited, because this 11-month agreement in no way was helping us to avail any financial assistance or any licenses from the government departments. By the intervention of the Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Manohar Parrikar into this issue, they have revoked back to 3 years agreement for the shops leased by the Kadamba Transport Corporation. The collection of the service tax by the Kadamba Transport Corporation Limited is illegal, and which also amounts to extortion. There is clear-cut indication from the service tax department, which is based as the Customs and Central Excise Department. They are very clear to state that service tax is liable to all those who pay rent in one financial year of 10 lakhs and above.
रुद्रेश्वर पणजेन एका दिसाची दिंडी कार्यशाळा सोमारा पणजेत आयोजित केल्ली। ह्या कार्यशाळेन गोंयभरचे 85 ग्रूप आनी सुमार 300 कलाकार वांटेकार जाल्ले। दिंडी शिकोवपा खातीर पंढरपूरच्यान खासा गुरू तांणी हाडल्या।
रुद्रेश्वर पणजेन आयोजित केल्ली ही दिंडी कार्यशाळा गेली 6 वर्सां रुद्रेश्वर पणजी दिंडी स्पर्धा आयोजित करता पणजेन, आणि त्या निमतान जे ग्रूप पार्टिसिपेट जाता त्या ग्रुपांक शास्त्रीय ज्ञान मेळचें, ह्या दिंडी बद्दलचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार कळचे म्हणून रुद्रेश्वर पणजीन दिंडी ही कार्यशाळा आयोजित केल्ली हांगासर आसा। काणकोण ते पेडणे पर्यंतचे गोंयच्या सगळ्या भागांच्यान एकूण 85 ग्रूप आणि 300च्या वयर कलाकार ह्या कार्यशाळेन हांगासर आयज सहभागी जाल्ले आसा। ह्या कार्यशाळेची खासियत म्हणजे खास पंढरपूरच्यान 4 गुरू जे दिंडी शिकयता ते हांगासर आयिल्ले आसा आमच्या गोंयच्या कलाकारांक शिकोवपा खातीर।
आता घेऊया एक विसव.